Good afternoon everyone. In today's video of marketing, I am going to start unit 3rd with title Place and Distribution. Before it I have completed unit 1 and unit 2 in marketing. So here I am going to start unit 3 Place and Distribution. Title of unit 3 is Place and Distribution and session 1 I will start today. Name of session 1 is Meaning and Importance of Place. So first of all we must recall what is place. As we know there are 4 P's in marketing mix and place is one of the 4 P's of marketing mix. We can see the diagram here. 4 P's of marketing mix are given. These are product, price, place, promotion. So it is so we can say place is one of the 4 P's of marketing mix. Here session 1 starts. Session 1 starts, meaning every marketing activity starts with the customer and ends with the customer. Yes, as we know nowadays customer is the god of market, or we can say customer is the king of market. If customer is satisfied, then our company can grow. So in marketing we must have to satisfy our customer. Actually marketing is all about customer satisfaction. So here it is written, every marketing activity starts with the customer and ends with the customer. Every marketing activity is customer driven and customer would only purchase a product only when it is available to him. Availability of product depends upon efficiently managed place. Place is the process of moving products from the producer to user. Place in marketing mix refers to channel or route through which goods move from source or factory to the final user. Yes, we can say customer will purchase only those products which will be available to him. Simply if a product is available to us, then only we can purchase it. So simply availability of product is place, or we can say place is the process through which goods move from producer to user. Producer is the person who makes goods and user is consumer who uses those goods. So there will be two persons definitely in place, manufacturer and user. Next we can say place in marketing mix refers to channel, route or through which goods move from source or factory to user. Here it is written, in marketing place has many names. Place is also known as channel, distribution or intermediary. Intermediary has some second name. It is also called middleman. So here is the final and main meaning of place is given. Place is the mechanism, means it is a process through which goods move from manufacturer to consumer. You just have to learn this meaning. Place is the process through which goods move from manufacturer to consumer. This one sentence is very important. What is place? Place is the process or mechanism through which goods move from manufacturer to consumer. Place could be intermediary, distributor, wholesaler, retailer. Okay, there can be many names for place. Some definition of marketing gurus on place are here. According to Philip Kotler, as we know Philip Kotler is one of the marketing gurus. He is a very popular author. According to Philip Kotler, every producer seeks to link together the set of marketing intermediaries that best fulfills firm objective. This set of marketing intermediaries is called marketing channel. So what did this author say about place? Philip Kotler says every producer tries to link together all intermediaries to achieve firm objective, and the set of intermediaries is called marketing channel. Similarly, other author, according to William J. Stanton gave definition. He said a distribution channel for product is the route taken by the title to goods as they move from producer to ultimate customer. This definition is easy, you can learn this. According to William J. Stanton, a distribution channel for a product is the route. In Hindi we can say route means path or rasta. In English we can say location. Distribution channel for a product is the route taken by title to goods as they move from producer to customer. Okay, means it is a route. Place is a route which is taken from manufacturer to consumer when goods move from manufacturer to consumer. Here a term given, title of good. Title of goods means ownership. transfer of ownership is also done, because initially producer or manufacturer had ownership, but when goods will move or will transfer from manufacturer to consumer, now consumer or customer will have full ownership. So transfer of ownership will be done as the good pass from producer to customer. So title of goods means transfer of ownership. So today I discussed unit 3 with session 1 meaning and definition of place. Next I will discuss tomorrow. Thank you for listening.